Excited to use this right now. I'm so excited to put this thing together. Got my tools. Can't wait to show you guys this. Set him up here. Oh, I'm so excited. What? Yeah, that's right. We got a new toy. Let's put it together. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. It's your boy Gabe, and today we're putting together a Blackstone griddle. Yes, very excited. I've always wanted my own like flat top kind of thing, and so it was on sale, and I went and grabbed one, and so we're gonna put this together. I've always, worked on flat tops at jobs that I've worked at, and so I've kind of always wanted my own. And this is something new, and so I'm very excited. But without further ado, let's put this together. So another thing that I bought, I went ahead and bought the cover for it because this particular version doesn't have the hood to it. I obviously was going to buy a cover for it anyway, but I specifically bought a cover because it doesn't have its own hood to it, and so that way I have something to keep it nice. So we're gonna set this guy off to the side, but we're gonna lay this guy down and start putting them together. Alright, so I had to take a momentary pause, cleaned up a little bit, my camera died on me, but all I did was put the knobs on, and all you do, see if I can take it off, I probably can't take it off, but you just push it all the way down, and it'll click in place. And then as for the igniter switch, you just unscrew it off like so. And then you just need a single AA battery, and that's that. But we're going to put the handle on, and then the flat top part itself on, and then we'll have a grill put together. So let's get back to it. That last part was really heavy, but I'd say we got something. Well, guys, there you have it, a put together Blackstone. I can't wait to use this in other videos. I can't wait to do some really cool recipes with this. I got a lot of cool recipes that I want to do with this, and I'm very excited to use this thing. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button next to it, comment down below, tell me what you think. Even give me some ideas of some recipes that you want me to try on my new Blackstone. And as always, peace out, guys.